Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V6 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to localize the settings, so just find this gear icon and tap on it. There is a possibility that we will start at the very top, so all you need to do now is to scroll all the way down, so just do this kind of aggressive gestures to go all the way down to the bottom of the list, and then tap on the gear icon again, so we'll enter system and updates. Then let's count to 3, so 1, 2. The third option is language and input, so just tap on it. And now tap on this first option, language and region. And finally, we are in this, let's say, language settings, language section. So all we need to do is to tap on the second option, add language. Let's tap. And here we've been transferred to the full list of the languages that we can use. So find your language and tap on it. I'll pick this one. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, if you really want to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on this right option, which means change. And as you can see now, we've got our language at the very top of the list. And from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. And now, if you actually have the language added to this list, then you do not really need to open the full list of the languages. You can change it right here just by tapping on it, and your device will immediately apply it to the top. It is marked and the English is set. If you want to, you can also remove the language from this list. Just tap on delete, mark the language that we want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on OK, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.